Look what a beautiful dinner I found in Barrett Jackson for the show. Please tell me more. Introduce what you guys today
Well,
present
this
here.
here is the shortest Marine that served in Vietnam, and he's the nastiest one.
Oh my God.
Tell us a joke there, little Marine. How about the one?
Hey, there was a master gunner sergeant managed an office with about 20 women in there, right? So he come in one morning and his fly was down.
Wow.
So the women, you know, they all trying to figure out how they gonna tell him his fly's down. So this one lady said, "I'll handle it, no problem." So she goes up and says, "Hey, bag's door's open." He said, "It is." He said, "You said Big Max started standing up tall in there?" He said, "No, not really." She said, "No, not really." She said, "I saw a private laying between two duffel bags."
Wow.